Step 1. Examine the instructional objectives of the topics previously discussed. The first step in developing an achievement test is to examine and go back to the instructional objectives so that you can match with the test items to be constructed. Step 2. Make a table of specification or TOS. Table of specification or TOS is a chart or table that details the content and level of cognitive level assessed on a test as well as the types of emphasis of test items. Table of specification is very important in addressing the validity and reliability of the test items. Preparing a table of specification. The different formats of table of specification. Step 3. Construct the test items. The general guidelines for constructing test items. Begin writing items far enough or in advance so that you will have time to revise them. Match items to intended outcomes at appropriate level of difficulty to provide valid measure of instructional objectives. Be sure each item deals with an important aspect of the content area and not with trivia. Be sure the problem posed is clear and unambiguous. Be sure that the item is independent with all other items. Be sure the item has one or best answer on which experts would agree. Prevent unintended clues to answer in the statement or questions. Avoid trick or catch questions in an achievement test. Try to write items that require higher order thinking skills. Determining the number of test items. Checklist for constructing test items. Step 4. Assemble the test items. There are 2 steps in assembling the test: packaging the test and reproducing the test. Step 5. Write directions. Check the test direction for each item format to be sure that it is clear for the students to understand. The test direction should contain the number of items to which they apply, how to record their answers, the basis of which they select the answer, and the criteria for scoring or the scoring system. Step 6. Check the assembled test items. Step 7. Make the answer key. Step 8. Analyze and improve the test items. Analyze and improving the test items should be done after checking, scoring, and recording the test.